Hooey, God bless. I must have unplugged my microphone because it wasn't on for that last bit. So just a quick recap of what I did, because it was about 20 minutes of footage. Let me put my headset back on. 20 minutes of footage, just completely lost because my mic wasn't on. Let's talk about what just happened. So I made this player info thing. Probably going to change that later. I'll go over that in a second because I already don't like it. But what we did is we made an ability. We made just one ability, and it's just say hello. What it does is it says, hello, blank, I'm blank. And that's caster and target. Hello, target, I'm caster. So that should just be 0 and 1 over and over again. Create a character. I added everybody just starts with say hello. That's how I've chosen to do that. Instead of just giving everybody abilities. I suppose you could, but instead of giving everybody abilities, that's how we're going to do it. Right there. And let's go to round. I made advanced turn. That's going to develop into something more serious later, but right now it's fine. Select ability and take action are the new things here. You know what I should probably do is get, but I don't have a get ignore yet. I'll make one off screen. It's boring. Is it? Alright, you win. Let's do some version control. Get init. Okay. And then we're going to do, can I do this? Get, add to get ignore. That. I suppose I could just do this. / dot idea. There we go. And that's when get ignore. So get add dot dry run. Is there a dash in the middle? Get ignore. Yeah, that looks good. Get add dot get commit initial commit. Okay, great. Everything looks good. So now you'll see what's changed in the little sidebar here whenever I make a change to something. So now if I make a change somewhere, it'll show this little green line here to say that this has changed. So now we can kind of keep up with what's happening, and I'll just commit at the end of every session. So yeah, I didn't add anything really. I was kind of just drooling all over myself because I'm a little tired after work today. So let's come back over to main. I made a while loop, and it's going to be 1. And what we're going to instead do is get char, like this, not equal to q. I think that's how that works. Can I do that? Yeah, all right. But that does mean that it's going to be stupid, and I have to flush the buffer every time I do something. So f flush. No. What is it? Yeah. std out. Right? Am I correct with that? Yeah. Okay. So that's how I'm going to do this for now. And advanced turn is going to be my new state machine. So let's come over to advanced turn. And this, select the ability. I got a crazy idea. Let's do, but I'm going to type def it. Type def enum uint 8t for unsigned char, and then that's going to go here. We're going to call this, we'll call it round state. Round state. How about that? Select target, or select target, or abilities first, I guess. Select ability, select target, submit turn. Okay. And where is round state? I don't have that anywhere, right? Yeah, okay. So then combat system, we're just going to have a round state in here called round state. Round state. Oh man, I really don't want you to have to see me do this, but naming all of our variables lower camel case. Class instruct methods, public fields, lower camel case. I win. So then that should be round. Hey, there you go. Figured it out. Okay, sorry, sidetracked, a little detoured, but we're back and we're ready to make some donuts or whatever it is we're doing. So this is going to be my little test loop right here. So we're going to get rid of these. All right. So now we're going to actually have to do some programming, unfortunately. Some work. So we're going to switch on system.round state, stop, round state. Okay, case, select ability, break, case, select target, break, case, submit turn. I guess that could be default. Okay. Advanced turn. So that stuff can probably go up in here. And CLion is yelling at me because it's the same. Okay. Oh, why did that happen? Stop it. That was my fault. And then I can get rid of that. Alright, so selectability, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the user to give something in the future. Wait for an ability select. In the future, wait for a target select. Okay. So that means that when I come to main, I can do advanced turn system. And I need to pass it some stuff. I think I need to pass it selection. Selection, so that should be, I'm just gonna select one for now, and then advanced turn. Selection, so that means I need to go to this definition here and add selection. Right there. So in the first round, you're selecting your ability. The second round, you're selecting your target. And then the third time you come around is when you will submit it. And then we're going to do that. That looks fine, actually. So the caster is assumed to be the person whose turn it is, which will be right here. So ability, we're going to... Why did it do that? I do need a struct for that. Okay, player info. We're going to call this turn info. Did I change anything? Yeah, okay. So then turn info can probably go into round, I suppose. We're going to call it turn info. Okay. Did that break anything? It did. Turn info. Wow. System.round.turn info dot selected ability. Okay, so then I'm going to go over here, shift, click, drag over there. Place this there. Oh, get rid of. Wow, get rid of that. Okay. Everything looks all right to me there. Selectability. So your selection here. Selection. That means we can selected ability, uint at selected target. Okay, great. So we're gonna do system. Whoa, system. Round system dot. What is that? Round state. Okay. Turn info dot selected ability equals selection. Okay, which means that we're going to have to populate the menu with all of your options in the future. But we're going to then do system round state plus plus. Okay, and then down here system rounds. It really does not want me to type that. Really, round state equals 0, or rather, select ability. Okay. All right, so it does fix it when I do the auto format, which is weird. And then system, look at it's doing it again. System round state plus state plus plus. Oh, come on down here. Why? System. Okay. System round system dot turn info dot selected target equals selection. Okay. Maybe all of this should be up in here, and then this should just be blank. I don't know yet. We'll see how it feels. All right. So then, where is take action? I might as well just take all of this. Come on, there we go. Get rid of that. Come on up into here. And where do I want to put it? I think I want to put it right here. Wow, look at all that. That's fun. So caster and target. So caster is going to be system.round system.turns subsystem.round system.current turn. There you go. So that's whose turn it is right now. Target is going to be system.round state. No, round system.round system.turn info dot selected target. Yep. That looks good to me. So I'm going to steal this real quick. Plus that. Caster, again, I might as well make that a variable because I'm using it more than once. So we're going to take this and we're going to say system. Look at this indentation. CLion is having an aneurysm right now. Alright, then we go home. Just int caster equals that. Can you fix it? Thank you. And then that's just going to be caster now. And there we go. Selected ability is not. You know what? I suppose. Yeah, I suppose I could do that. So that means that this is selected ability. No. Okay. And then it's not doing anything with result. That's why it's grayed out. I am just going to do that. Okay. Let's see if that broke it. Did it break it? Enter. Okay. And it broke it. Segfault. Love to see it. You love to see it. What did you do? Jump to advanced turn plus 320. Plus 320. Why are we adding 320? What happened? Anyway, let's fix that. See what happened. Advanced turns. So round state that. Round state plus plus. Right, we're switching on that. Where did it crash? What are we doing? Okay. I got here. Select target. That's correct. Step over. Or rather, step into. Step into. Step into. Ability is that. Selected ability 1. Ability is null. Ability is null. Why is that null? Okay. So something happened where in the character creation we didn't assign this right. So character's next character times max ability per character plus 0. So that should be 0. What am I giving? Oh, I'm giving it 1. That's why. All right. That would explain it. That'll do it. So enter, enter. We got here again. Ability is... Okay, we have a memory address there, so that's good. So I'm just going to pop that breakpoint, and we're going to Hail Mary this. Okay, we got into the right method. We are in STD. All right, let's pass out of that. Okay, okay. Break. Come here to flush STD out. All right, we're just gonna play for now. Console. Hello, 0. It's me, 0. It's because I set my target to 0, which is fine. I'm targeting myself. This is cool. What happens if I do it again? Hello, 0. It's me, 1. 6 egg. All right, what are we doing? Oh, because I'm going over 2 now. Okay, caster is equal to 2. What did I do? Caster. Current turn is 2. Caster should not ever equal 2. How has this happened? System. Character info. Stats. Next character is 2. Round number of turns. Current turn. Did I increment that anywhere? No. So caster should not equal 2. Why is that equaling 2? So turns. Let's try that again. Do it again, and I'm going to pause. And I paused in the wrong thread. Let's do that here. Bam. Okay, system. That's what I wanted to see. So round system. We have number of turns is 2. So I need to be less than, not equal to. That was my bad. So if I am equal to, let's put our breakpoint there instead, just to see where we zigzag. So that's the first one. That's all this stuff up here. Hello, 0. It's me, 0. Okay, so that's the end of my turn. Continue. Go back to the console. So theoretically, the AI player would be taking its turn selecting its ability. Now it's selecting its target. Hello, me. It's 1. And then we go here. Okay. Turn sub 0. Current turn plus plus. Current turn equals 0. Number of turns should be 2. I'm going to step into that. Turn now is 1. So that did properly reset. Number of turns. Turn is equal to that. So that is... Alright, everything looks normal right now. Okay. And then when I hit enter again, we're going to step into system. Selection is 0. Okay, that's normal round state plus plus. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, no, I thought that we landed at the breakpoint again. Come out here, flush STT out, and then it's waiting for it again. Now we're in state 2. We have selected our ability. We're going to select our target. So select in, go in, okay. Selection equals 0. Okay, that's still going okay. Round state plus plus. That's going to put us down here next loop. And we're going to look at this over here. Caster is equal to 0. Caster got set to 2 again. How did that happen? Alright, so let's peek in the system. We got round system. current turn is equal to 2. So if current turn plus plus equals that. Okay, so I have to do it like this, I suppose. -1. Does that update in real time? That doesn't update in real time, does it? Caster 2, that's going to sig fault. No, it didn't. It did. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Oh, good. I've crashed it. Oh. Okay. This. Okay. That looks fine. Continue. Let's come over here. Okay. All right. I'm going to hit this, and we're going to reset the turn. Okay. Oh, sorry. We got to go in. Turn is 1. Oh. So I guess I want to do this, huh? Oop, turn. All right. Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to pop the breakpoint off. Okay. Hello, 0. It's me, 0. So select ability, select target. Hello, 0. It's me, 0. Select ability, select target. Hello, me, 0. Okay, so something else is going wrong. So we have to do that again, I suppose. I just don't want it to say 2. Okay. Okay, still going wrong. Well, I mean, the turns are working, but not really. Do I need this? Turn, plus plus. How does that look? Hello, it's this. It's not doing it no more. Oh, now we're alternating. There we go. So, oh, I must have turned my heater on with my timer. I didn't mean for that to happen. Well, what a great way to end the episode, I suppose, because we did actually get my turns working. So that means that this first item on the checklist, can I do this? I forget how to make a checkbox. X. There's a way to make a checkbox in that, I swear. If I do it in a scratch here, a scratch file, markdown. There it is. Okay. So in here, it's like da da da, and then X. Make something, and then what is it here? Is this? No. There. Okay, there it is. So that's how you make a checkbox, but you can't really interact with it. Can I do that? Okay, it's checked now. I was not hallucinating. That is how you're supposed to do it. What's up? What's going on there? What's going on there, big guy? Oh. Oh. It's because that it thinks it's a hyperlink now. Alright. Whatever. Can't win them all. So, I got my rounds working. I can now alternate between these two players. Great. Sort of. This is a little broken, but that's just because I am feeding it 0 all the time. That's my own fault. So, I will be back tomorrow after I've had some god dang sleep. So I'll see you all tomorrow.